Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be explaining you how we spent our first day in Azerbaijan. We spent in total 4 days, and so I will be posting another 3 more videos in which I will be explaining very nicely what we did and which places we explored during our stay in Azerbaijan. So in this video I will explain you how we spent our very first day in Azerbaijan. So we landed at Baku airport at around 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and as soon as we came out, I would suggest you that don't exchange your money from the airport because the rate wasn't that good. So we were traveling from UK, so we had pounds with us. So when I went to the counter and asked the exchange rate, £1 was equal to 1.90 manat, which wasn't good at all because from outside I was getting 2.10 manat. So I would suggest you exchange little bit, probably 5-10 pound or dollars worth of manat, so you can just pay for your taxi from airport to the hotel. Secondly, my suggestion to you would be that download Uber and Bolt. The taxis in Azerbaijan are very cheap, so even if your destination is 30 to 40 minutes, all you have to pay is 5 to 6 manat, which is equal to £2 or roughly $2.5. So traveling in Azerbaijan on a taxi, it's very cheaper. So download Uber and Bolt. Bolt is more widely used and it's more cheaper. The third suggestion would be to buy your mobile SIM, so that you can have some internet and you can have some minutes as well, and because of that you can use Bolt as well. So when you have a local SIM, then you can book a taxi from airport to Baku airport to your hotel, and you can select the cash option, and so that's why I asked you to exchange a little bit so you can pay off for your journey from airport to the hotel. Now I will share you that how actually we spend our time in Azerbaijan. So in day one, first of all, you can see the hotel where we stayed. The hotel where we stayed, the name of the hotel is Golden Horn Apart Hotel. It's, you can see that the toilet is really neat and clean. Then you plenty of space to hang your clothes and stuff. Kitchen area, microwave oven. There is a cooker as well. Dining table. Then small study room. Then a very good view from outside, and you can see there is a play area as well, where in the night time a lot of kids use that playing area. Then you have living room. I traveled with my wife and small son, so my son used to sleep there. Very nice king size bed as well, and you can see from outside the hotel is very good. Uh, it is a 4-star hotel, and roughly we paid around £50 per night, so which is very economical. The service was very good. The people, they were very friendly. Only drawback was, I would say, that in breakfast the options were quite less. There were only 4 to 5 options. So if you would like to have good heavy breakfast, then I would suggest you can look a different hotel, but otherwise location wise it was very centralized. It has a centralized location. Traveling from this hotel to different parts of Baku was very easy. And then we slept. After after this we slept for we reached at our hotel around 7:30, and then from 7:30 to 2 o'clock we had a good rest. Then I know a lot of people in Azerbaijan, so I have some contacts. That's why somebody arranged us a driver. He's a very nice guy, very humble, very family guy, very knowledgeable, and I'll let you know all the details about him. If you want to book him for your next trip to Azerbaijan, feel free to drop me an email and I'll let you know all his details. But roughly for 4 days I paid him £300, in which I did not pay anything extra. All the expenses were included in that, and we explored different cities as well. These £300 were not at all to explore Baku only, but we went to different cities, and we did not pay anything extra for petrol either. So if you are interested, feel free to drop me an email and I will definitely let you know about that person. Then 2 o'clock when he came, we visited Nizami Street and Baku Old City. But before I show you some of the pictures and photos of that those places, I can quickly show you the Baku Airport. You can see very beautiful airport, very modern airport. I would definitely recommend you to visit Baku. So during our 4-day stay, we stayed at Baku, and then on daily basis we traveled from Baku to different places. Then afterwards we went to Nizami Street, very happening place, lots of food stalls, and lots of KFC is halal, McDonald's is not halal, and we were quite hungry, so we had a meal from KFC. You can see that 11.80 roughly manat for zinger burger, chips and drink, which is equal to roughly 5 to 6 pounds. So yes, food in these sort of franchises like KFC and McDonald's wasn't cheap at all, but the local food was comparatively cheaper. So we had a good meal at KFC. As soon as we came out from KFC, there was a very good theater. We took some photos there, and then we straight away went to Baku Old City. When we went to Baku Old City, there are lots of shops where you can buy carpets, handmade carpets, very expensive one, roughly starting from $150 and go all the way to $1,000. So again, my suggestion would be that rather than buying carpets from your place of your own country or own homeland, I would suggest you to save some money and buy authentic carpet from Baku, or if you are going to Iran, then buy from Iran. The scarves, ladies scarves, were 100% pure silk, so they were quite expensive as well. They were roughly around 30 to 40 manat, which is equal to $12 to $15 per scarf. Lots of antique shops. Restaurants were very spacious, very modern. We did not try food from these restaurants, but what we heard that Baku's food is very nice and yummy, and the taste of fruits, fresh fruits, is really nice. We tried lots of fruits, and the taste of fruits in Azerbaijan is extremely good. It's very refreshing. You can see some of the restaurants, they are very big. You can just tea, coffee there. Lots of places in old city where you can take photos, lots of artwork, and this is one of the restaurant which we found beautiful. It's um, it's a giant restaurant, very beautiful. We took some photos there, and you can see some shops selling carpets and stuff. Uh, Let me show you that we explored some more places in old city. Um, so we went to a place called MAIDEN Tower. MAIDEN Tower is you know very interesting thing about MAIDEN Tower is that before I explained you more about MAIDEN Tower, you can see that this carpet was beautiful. I think roughly it was around $500. Lots of antiques which you can buy. I would say that carpets and scarves, silk scarves, were quite expensive. So this is the MAIDEN Tower, and the interesting thing about MAIDEN Tower is that no one knows for sure when the tower was built, what it was built for, or even why it got its name. Some scientists claim that it was built for fortification. Others believe that it was actually a Zoroastrian temple, and the other expert think it was used as an observatory. So yes, we went inside this MAIDEN Tower. We paid, I think, 15 manat for one person, and even I think under six children are free. So yes, we paid for 3 person. We paid 45 manat, which is roughly 22 to 25. I would say 20 pounds. So you can go inside. It has 5 to 6 floors, and when you go up, you can see basically complete Baku, and you can see behind the 3 flame towers. Um, After that, we went to Nizami Street. Um, yeah, this is the Nizami Street. Yeah, so once the old city finished, then we went to Nizami Street once more. Uh, yeah, it's a very happening place. You will find lots of local people, but also you will find lots of people from different parts of the world, and lots of restaurants, um, lots of shisha shops, uh, lots of halal food options. So we had a good walk in Nizami Street. Then afterwards, we went to Baku Boulevard. It's at the seaside. We spent some half an hour there. You can have photos there. You can see all the prominent destinations from this part of the Baku. And then via the Nizami Street, we went to another important destination, which I'll let you know in a second. So you can see that lots of different restaurants uh, and lots of people, very modern city, uh, Baku. And in the night time, it's great to explore. So I would suggest you that if you have visited this place in the afternoon and evening, you should spend some time in the night time as well. So these are the flame towers. So after Baku Boulevard, we went to driver took us to another place um, which has very good view. So we went there. You can see that it's at the top of the mountain, so you can see that the view from there is very good. There was also a place there. It's next to Baku Old City and Nizami Street, so you can explore this place as well. Uh, they have put some fire thing here, which is of course not natural. Uh, this is the building, and from there you can see beautiful mountain towers. Yes, so the basically name of sorry, flame towers. So the basically the name of the place is Flame Towers. So the very first day we went to from our hotel, we went to um, Nizami Street. Then Nizami Street we went to Old City. Old City we went to um, Maiden Tower, and then from Maiden Tower we went to Baku Boulevard. From Baku Boulevard we went to Flame Towers. From Flame Towers there is a way you can go and take photos here, and then from there we went back to our hotel. So that's why I told you that the location where we were living was very centralized, and there is a mosque there as well next to Flame Tower. Very beautiful Turkish style mosque, and the history of it is that I think some Turkish architect built this mosque as well. So that's all about this video. Uh, so in this video I quickly explained you how we spent our very first day. So around 7:30 to 8 o'clock we went back to our hotel, and from there next to our hotel, which is Golden on apart hotel, there was a KFC there as well, and we had a dinner there. In the night time you can again have some rest, and in the night time again you can take a taxi and go to Baku Boulevard, or you can go to Old City, or you can go to Nizami Street again for a couple of hours. Nizami Street usually remain open until 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. Midnight, so you can explore Nizami Street in the night time as well. So that's all in this video. I will be coming back again with another video in which I will explain all of you how we spent our second day in Azerbaijan. So of course we did not explore Baku in the second day. From Baku we went to a different city. So stay tuned, please. If you like the video, do subscribe it, and do like the video. If you have any questions, drop me an email, and I will definitely happy to um, give you more information which probably I have missed in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take a good care of yourself, and keep watching the videos. Thank you.